Hello, I am Dr. Rajendra Burbikatti, a writer based in Shimoga city in Karnataka. Today, I am going to give a note on the message of universal man propounded by one of the major writers of modern Indian literature, the legendary poet laureate of Kannada literature, Dr. K.V. Puttappa, who is popularly known as Kuvempu. Let me start with what this message is and what is the aim of this message. In this message, uh, let me tell you what is the basement of this message at the beginning itself. Every child at birth is the universal man. Every child at birth is an universal man, but as it grows, we turn it into a petty man, silly man. It should be the fundamental function of education to turn this petty man, this silly man, into its original form, universal man. So, this is the foundation, this principle is the foundation on which this universal man concept is established. Kuvempu in this message quote one statement made by Acharya Vinoba Bhave. The statement is like this: the days of religion and politics have passed. The days of religion and politics have passed. The age of science and spirituality has now dawned. By quoting this statement of Vinoba Bhave, Kuvempu tries to convince us what his message is. The main intention, the aim of this message is to make all the human beings of this world citizens, the citizens of not any one country, but of this world, this universe. This is the concept of universal man. To make all people universal men and women, citizens of this world, Kuvempu propounded this theory. In this theory, Kuvempu framed a concept of some principles and some articles. Here, Kuvempu says about 5 mantras. Mantra is here not the rhythmic verse of Sanskrit, which is known for its sound energy, or it is not a Vedic prayer. Here, mantra is a basic rule to abide by. So, what are the basic mantras of this universal man concept? Let me explain one by one. These 5 mantras are: the first one, religion of humanity; the second one, universal path; the third one, welfare of all; the fourth one, reconciliation; and the fifth and the final one is integral vision. So let me explain one by one. The first one is the religion of humanity. You know, India is a country of religions. We have uh, established religions here: Hinduism, Christianity, Islam, Buddhism, Jainism. Apart from these established religions, we have a number of unrecognized, unestablished faiths, beliefs, religious factors. So, it is a pity to note that having all these religions, the number of religions, we are not able to become universal citizens, universal man. Why? We don't know. Kuvempu says our religion should be the religion of humanity. This is the new concept. Religion of humanity means the religion which takes care of man before death, not after death. The religion of humanity is dependent upon the human values. Human values. So this is religion of humanity. The second concept is universal path. What is universal path? Path is a road to reach the destination. Kuvempu's dispel, one of the great writers of Kannada literature, Dr. G.S. Sivarudrappa, writes a line in one of his poems that all religions are mere roads. All religions are mere roads, not the destinations. Here, Kuvempu advises us to take the universal path. Our path should lead us to the destination to make us universal man. This is the second concept, universal path. The third one is welfare of all. Welfare of all, it is I think directly influenced by the Sarvodaya concept of Gandhiji. Welfare of all. The name itself indicates that not the welfare of this man or that man, the welfare of all, the welfare of the rich and poor, the welfare of all is the third concept of this message, universal man. The fourth one is reconciliation. What is reconciliation? So reconciliation is the coordination. It is the need of our now in our society. We are living in a democratic setup. We have to be united, but on what basis? Not the religion, not the caste, not the sex, not the race, but on the basis of universal concept. All the mankind should be united. So this is the concept of reconciliation, coordination. The fifth and the final concept is integral vision. Our vision should be integral one, not the partial view, not the dual outlook. So this integral vision can be achieved by only having the divine eye, what we call in Kannada Antardrishti. So these are the five basic principles incorporated in this message of universal man. Once again, I repeat them. The first one is religion of humanity. The second one, universal path. The third one, welfare of all. The fourth one, reconciliation. And the fifth one is integral vision. To achieve these five principles, Kuvempu framed a charter. This charter has 7 articles. They are popularly known as the 7 articles of charter. 7 articles means the principles that are to be practiced in our day-to-day life. So let me explain what are these 7 articles. The first article of charter is like this: we have to accept unconditionally that all mankind is one community. We have to accept unconditionally that all mankind is one community. This is the first article. The second one and the third one says about the caste systems. The second one is like this: our attempt should be not to reform the caste system, but to wipe it out completely. That is to say, distinctions like Brahmanas, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Sudras, depraved classes, Shia, Sunni, Catholic, Protestant should be eradicated altogether. This is the second article. The third one is the extension of second one. It is like this: the caste system that exists in all countries and all religions should be totally denounced and completely destroyed. This is the third one. The fourth one, religion should go and spirituality alone, being a scientific principle, must be recognized. Here Kuvempu says religion should go, spirituality is to take its seat, its place. The fifth one, religion should become the religion of humanity. The path should become the universal path, and the man should become the universal man. We have already discussed in detail this fifth one. Next, I will come to the sixth one. Religion should not become a matter of groupism or a matter of creating schism. No one should belong to any particular religion. On the contrary, everyone should belong to his or her own religion, the religion that is personally discovered. Personally discovered. We should not become the follower of the established religions, any religion. We have to discover our own religion. So this is the sixth one. The seventh and the last one, the last principle, is about the scriptures, holy scriptures of religion. It is like this: no single book should become the holy one and the most sacred scripture. No single book should become the holy one and the most sacred scripture. Everyone should, on the contrary, study and assimilate all the books they can. Should freely decide what to accept and what not to accept, and build for themselves own philosophy, not the philosophy preached by the religious heads. A person, we, the people, have to uh, create our own philosophy and to follow that philosophy in our life. At the end of my speech, let me recapitulate what we have discussed so far. The message of universal man is propounded by the great writer of Kannada literature, Dr. K.V. Puttappa. The main focus of this message is to make all the human beings of this world the universal citizen. This concept, this message is incorporated with 5 basic principles, theoretically 5 principles: the humanity, the religion of humanity, universal path, welfare of all, reconciliation, and the integral vision. To achieve these principles, Kuvempu incorporated here 7 articles of charter to be practiced by us in our day-to-day life. Let me conclude my speech with the statement that if we follow this, if we listen carefully this message and agree with Kuvempu, and if we sincerely try to follow this message, practice the articles in our life propounded by Kuvempu, we will definitely become the universal man, and we will become definitely the citizen of this world, and the whole universe, the whole world, the whole mankind will become one community, that is universal community, the universal community. Thank you.